Hello everybody, this is another episode of the Mikey Show. Today we're starting our CNC build. We're going to start off with the table that holds the CNC. It's going to be 2 sheets of 3/4 inch plywood. Basically all I'm going to do is just rip down the legs, the cross members, and all that stuff, and then I'll do the assembly. Yeah, so that's where we're going to start, and I don't know how much of it I'll film, but I'll show you before, a little bit of during, and after for the table. And hopefully next weekend we can start building the torsion box. So stick around.
Okay, right here I ripped down the 4x8 sheets to 4.5 inch wide pieces. Everything's 4.5 inches wide except for the 4x4 top to the very top, and then 4x4 top to the shelf in the bottom. I just rip everything down to 4.5 inches, and then I end up cutting it to length. There's 3 or 4 different lengths. And then as far as I didn't get none of the assembly video, but there's the finished table. It's got 2-inch screws going across the ribs, screwing it all together.
And there's the finished table I wanted to show you guys. That's the table that the CNC is going to sit on. It's 4 foot across this way and 4 foot that way. Stands about 36 or so inches tall. So the next thing to come will be the box that the machine, the torsion box for the machine. That's coming up this weekend, so hang in there.